Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're going to open up a variety of Hot Wheels cars from previous model years. Today's first car is the 63 Split-Window Corvette from the Crackle Cars series. Next, we have the purple 3-window 34 from the Pinstripe Power series. Here's a 1997 First Edition Mercedes C-Class. Another one for the Benz fans, we have a Mercedes SLK in a blue-green color. This yellow 2001 Mini Cooper is a 2002 First Edition. Next, we have a pretty awesome Hot Wheels vehicle. It's the GMC Motorhome. Here's a 2007 new model, the Custom 53 Chevy. From the Artistic License series, we have the 57 Chevy. Check out this Mopar Madness model, the Dodge Tomahawk. From Hot Wheels Racing 2011, we have the 1941 Willys. This 2004 First Edition is the Cadillac V16. Representing Team Volkswagen, we have the Baja Beetle. For the truck fans, we have the Power Charger Racing Chevy 1500. This 2003 final run model is the Auburn 852. I like this yellow 2002 Volkswagen New Beetle Cup. And our last car for today is the Wastelanders 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner. So that is quite the variety of Hot Wheels cars we opened up today. If you guys want to see more Hot Wheels unboxing videos, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.